Well, it's Father's Day again. Just like every Father's Day, I start to think about my dad. He's been gone for a long time, since 1983. I lost him. It's funny when you have your dad, you don't appreciate him right at first when you're young. I was 22 when he was gone, and I was just starting to learn who he was other than my dad. And I found out he was a person, and what he believed in and how he believed it. But before I could understand it, he was gone. Before I could learn a lot of the things he had, he was gone. I never wanted that for my kids. Dixie and I have 5 kids. 3 boys, 2 girls. And they're all pretty darn successful. One is Dixie's son, so he's really my stepson, but it's not the way I look at it. I'm the only father he's ever had, so he's no different than any of my other kids. And the same goes for Dixie. She looks at my kids and they're her kids. A lot of parents don't do that these days. A lot of parents fight and argue and piss and moan and get the kids involved. All you're doing is hurting the kids. Not really proving anything or accomplishing nothing. So my wife Dixie constantly tells me to slow down. But I don't know the meaning of the word. I have too many projects, is what she tells me. And she's probably right. But I like a lot of projects. Whether it's here at home or being the technical director at our church. But I try to slow down every once in a while. Play with our boys. That would be Bentley and Dexter, which have made a few appearances in our videos. Get our boat out and cruise the canal out to the lakes. But you're always busy. When you're younger, you don't really think about it, and you kind of put your kids in second place, third place, along with your wife, and you don't really think about it. You're just trying to make as much money as you can, or trying to jump up the corporate ladder, whatever it may be. It's all said and done, it's really family that matters. My dad was the original Tim the Tool Time Tailor. He was, he used to tell me the jack of all trades, master of none. So I still use them, my kids today. I don't know how many things he blew up, smashed, or just wrecked. But he always made it work. He was quite the guy. I hope I can just be half the guy he was. And that's kind of what I've been trying to teach my kids over the years, is that do the best you can. Always reach for the stars. Live your dreams. Don't let somebody tell you what to do. Just go do it. Screw them. I often wonder if he's looking down and seeing the stuff that Dixie and I have done over the years. Right now it's a mess because we're busy tearing everything apart. But it would kind of be the way he would do things too. Tear it all apart, put it back together. So this Father's Day, call your dad. You're not talking to your dad. Get off your ass. Call him. Because when he's gone, you can't tell him anything. He's gone. So the sun is setting on yet another beautiful day in Door County with no rain. But thanks for watching Homeworks, and call your dad.